Today, we will talk about Custom View Management System in AGen software. In AGen software, it will help the users to custom view the database data in Custom View Management. You can find Custom View Management in setting on the left sidebar. In this page, you can see the custom view data in table form. You can add your new custom view by clicking the Add button above. In this page, you need to set the custom view name, remark. Also the SQL query. Press the test query to test run the result. You can find the result at the bottom of the table. After confirming your SQL query, you can click the Save button to save the custom view. Back button to return to the main page. If you want to edit your custom view, you can select the row and edit the custom view by pressing the Edit button. You can edit the custom name, remark, and also the SQL query. Click the Update button to complete your editing or back to return to the main page. You can also delete your custom view by select the row and press the Delete button. Lastly, you can export your custom view table with the Export button as Excel, CSV, and Print. To know more, visit us at agen.mobi or scan the QR code below.